Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're using Binance and wondering how to claim your rewards, let's claim them step by step. First, launch the Binance app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and tap on More Services at the bottom. Scroll down and go to Gift and Campaign section, and here tap on Rewards Hub. Here you will see your available rewards including cashback, vouchers or bonus crypto. Tap on claim next to the reward you want. Some may have expiration dates, so don't wait. You will get a success message. Rewards are usually added to your spot wallet or bonus section. And yes, that's it. That's how you claim your Binance reward. Like this video and follow us for more crypto how-tos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.